Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset or remove your YouTube recommendations. So if you are getting recommended a lot of videos that you have no interest in on YouTube, we can go in and clear our watch history. This will reset the recommendations you see on YouTube. So to reset our recommendation, first thing we need to do is simply open up a browser and navigate to youtube.com. Go ahead and log into your account. Once you are logged into your account, go to the top right, select your profile image and then just select your data in YouTube. This will open up a new page. Once you get here, scroll down and you will see YouTube controls here. What we are looking for is YouTube watch history. As you can see, they say this makes it easier for YouTube to find videos that you have watched and improve your recommendation. So we are just going to scroll at the bottom where it says manage your watch history. Select manage your watch history, and once we are on YouTube history, there is really two different ways to reset our YouTube recommendations. First, we can go through and remove individual video from our watch history. Maybe after watching a certain type of video, you are getting recommended a lot of that type of video. You can go in, find that specific video you watch and remove it from your watch history by selecting the X, and it will delete it for you. You can also delete and clear your entire watch history, and this will greatly affect your recommendations on YouTube. And to do that, all we need to do is select delete right here, and then we can select our date range for deleting. If you just want to delete today or set a custom range, you can select those. But if you want to delete all time, which is your entire watch history on YouTube, then select delete all time. And then just confirm right here that you want to delete all of your watch history on YouTube. Once you do that, you will see that when you go back, there is no activity and you have now reset your YouTube recommendations. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.